magagalit din naman ako eh kung ako yung apo ni Quezon eh. Eh, lolo ko yun eh. Ba't nyo pinortray ng ganon? Eh, paano ka ba naman di magagalit? Sobrang galing ni Jericho Rosales sa role na yun. And the fact is, maganda naman yung pagkagawa sa movie. Maganda yung production design, yung scoring, yung editing, meron kang ensemble cast, tapos may immerse ka during this time period eh. It's a massive undertaking. And under the Philippine context, to make a movie like this, na third installment in a long-running series, it's a big thing. And that's why, umabot na to sa 5th week niya. So now that we got that out of the way, babardagulin ko na yung Quezon. My biggest gripe with this movie is how Quezon was handled. And I guess there has been discourse which mainly focuses on one, si Quezon ay portrayed in an authentic manner dahil nga this is a side that we haven't seen before, and two, one-dimensional yung character niya in a sense na he's just a political chameleon, which I think is problematic. Sabihin natin meron kang president na pinortray mo lang yung one aspect niya. Sabihin natin very positive, no? Very positive yung kanyang pag-portray. Abay, magwawala yung mga tao, di ba? Obviously, there is this angle of sensationalism dahil nga ganito pala si Quezon. Pero I think mas magkaka-impression yung audience if truly nilang nagigets kung saan nanggagaling si Quezon. It's portraying Quezon as this, yun nga, sort of villain, no? He walks and talks like a villain. Pero at the same time, he has this agenda, which is Philippine independence. And why does he hold on to this concept of authoritarianism? Asan na yung origin story niya? And we barely scratch that surface kasi merong young Quezon portrayed by Benjamin Alves that's presented through a movie within a movie. Pero kung umatras lang sila ng onte, kailan naisip ni Quezon na parang, oh right, let's go, let's be a villain. Yung mas malalim na context ni Quezon, naabutan niya yung Spanish colonial period. Naging soldier siya under Aguinaldo, inapi ka ng mga Amerikano. Tinatry mong paglaban yung pagiging Pilipino mo. Tapos, yung dati mong boss, tatry do rin yung mga prinsipyo mo? Parang, what? And kung mas pinalalim nyo yun, I would have loved this character way, way more. So all in all, kailangan nyo siya mapanood. Grabe na, ang dami ko sinabi, pero kailangan nyo siya mapanood. Again, maganda yung pagkakagawa sa kanya. And I think nasabi naman na ng mga tao yung mga gandang aspect about Quezon. Dapat may disclaimer sa dulo eh. Read more about Quezon after this movie to understand his complex motivations as a politician and as a Filipino citizen. So dahil dyan, ang score ng Quezon ay